Guarantee this is the one and only way you get a man to commit to you in a healthy way. It's not manipulative, not only for your benefit, but also for his benefit. Basically, this is a win-win method. You don't have to trick him into thinking that you're his perfect woman or do any extra work to have him commit to you. So are you ready to know how to have the guy you like commit to you and put the label on the relationship? It is to ask, and not just ask, but it has to follow up with your action and your courage. So many women don't have the relationships they want and be with the men who truly love and care for them because they are too afraid to ask, and they don't have the courage to work and fight for what they want. If you love him so much and want to be in a relationship with him, then why don't you let him know what you want? If he's really interested in you and likes you, he will want to be in a relationship with you. Make a guy commit to you shouldn't be hard, because a relationship is where both interested in each other, both want to be with each other and want to be the other half of the other person. If he likes you and wants to be in a relationship with you, when you let him know that you want to have a boyfriend or girlfriend label and you want to be in an official relationship, then he will certainly agree. And if he doesn't, it really tells you that he's not that interested in you and he's definitely not the right one for you. You seriously just save yourself so much time, headache, and tears in the future. Why do you want to make someone commit to you when he doesn't see the future with you? Let him know that you want to continue with him only as his girlfriend. You don't want to do casual. You want to build a serious and meaningful relationship. This is what you want. If he feels the same, then let's make it official. But if he doesn't feel the same, then you will not continue the non-label relationship with him. This is where the courage comes in. Be willing to leave him if he doesn't want the same thing as you do. This is the key to how to find a great man and a great match for you. To find him, you got to let go of the wrong man, the one who doesn't see the future with you. Stuck with him will make you miserable and stop you from being with a great man in the future. Please remember this, ladies. The man only commits to you if and only if he has the option to not commit to you. Sound a bit strange, right? But it is the truth. When he has the choice and the freedom either to leave or to stay is when you know the man's true intention and whether he truly wants to commit to you. Also, when you let him know what you want and give him the options to leave or to stay, you respect yourself and the guy. You respect yourself not to continue with a man who doesn't want the same thing as you do. At the same time, you do not force him to do what he doesn't want. It's hard, but it's how you know if he's the right one for you. Many women blindly try many techniques to make the man they like commit to them and forget to examine whether these guys are right for them. If you have to make, trick, or do something to make him commit to you, then his commitment is not genuine. It's not truly what he wants, but rather it's what only you want. You make it happen for you, rather for you and him and the relationship. Women who go out of their ways to make men commit to them constantly have problems in their relationships because right in the beginning, these men aren't the right ones for these women. Being in a relationship with a wrong partner is so much worse than being single, so please don't make the same mistakes as these women do. Love yourself so much to walk away from the guy who doesn't want to commit to you. Please don't try to change his mind when he's already told you the truth that he's not ready to commit. It's the hard truth, but only when you accept the truth and move on can you find a better partner, have a better life and a better relationship for yourself. I am officially in a relationship with my partner because I brought up with him what I wanted did. After a few months getting to know each other, I wanted to put a label and make things official. The conversation was very quick because he wanted the same thing too. I see many women wait for their men to bring up the conversation because they like the idea of being pursued and asked. I get it, I like that too. However, life doesn't always turn out the way we want. Instead, look at the result that you're after. What do you want? And then change your strategies, your methods to still get the result you want ethically. I didn't want to wait for my man to ask me to be his girlfriend. I didn't like the fact that I was already certain about making things official, but then kept waiting for him to ask me so it would be more romantic. I knew what I wanted and I took action, and here we are, happily married. It's up to you to wait or to let him know. My message is to live a life where your happiness doesn't completely depend on others. Otherwise, you would be miserable. Have the courage to walk away from the guy you like but doesn't want the same things as you do. Because I had the courage to walk away from the man who didn't share the same visions as I did. That's why I met my perfect partner. My love life now is not just good, but it's so great. I hope this video adds value to your love life. For more future videos like this, please give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on, and you will be notified when my next video is out. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.